All right, so you've been looking for a house and you're like, oh, they're too expensive. Got a great opportunity for you here in Roseville near 13 Mile and Gratiot. Almost 1,700 square feet, $170,000. So you're looking at $100 a square foot. 3 up to 5 bedrooms, 2 full baths, double lot. Let's check it out. Got this huge front porch here. Kitchen's very functional. You'll update that eventually. Hardwood flooring. Now the air conditioning, all they have is the window unit and fans, but you could do a mini split. This would be a great situation. Small office area. And this house does have solar power. Up top there, it has the instant on heat, so you never run out of hot water. First floor bathroom has been updated. They did actually a very nice job on that. Now let's go upstairs. So this is where they got a little creative. You have this bedroom, newer vinyl windows. They turned one room into a huge closet. And then coming around, you could put a door here, making 2 bedrooms, and then accessing this 3-season room, which is very, very cool. It's my understanding they had a sauna up there and hammocks. Now let's go on down to your second full bath. This one's not updated, but here again, functional. And then you have another bedroom up here. Going out back. Now notice the roof. You have a newer roof on this place also. But you have this large yard. And by the way, the garage has a finished attic for extra storage. Don't miss out. Great opportunity. Give us a ring.